The Walgreens app has become an integral part of many individuals' lives, offering a convenient and streamlined way to access a wide range of products and services. However, like any digital application, the Walgreens app is not immune to occasional technical issues that can impede its functionality and disrupt users' experience. When faced with the problem of the Walgreens app not working, it can lead to frustration and inconvenience for users. The manifestation of the Walgreens app not working problem can vary. Users may encounter issues such as app failing to launch, freezing or crashing unexpectedly, or displaying error messages that prevent them from accessing important features. The disruptions can hinder users from carrying out essential tasks such as managing prescriptions, ordering photos, or taking advantage of personalized offers and deals. The impact of the Walgreens app not working extends beyond mere inconvenience. For individuals relying on the app to manage their healthcare needs, the inability to access prescription information or refill medications seamlessly can be worrisome and disruptive to their daily routines. Additionally, the app serves as a gateway to convenient shopping, wellness tracking, and loyalty rewards, making its malfunction a significant hindrance for users seeking to maximize their benefits and savings. In conclusion, the Walgreens app not working can disrupt users' access to vital services and features, causing frustration and inconvenience. With users relying on the app for their healthcare and shopping needs, resolving these technical difficulties is essential to maintaining customer satisfaction and ensuring a smoother user experience. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.